Hello everyone, in this video, we will walk through the process of integrating the CometChat UI Kit into your web application. We will follow a step-by-step approach using CometChat's official documentation. By the end of this tutorial, you will have set up a project, integrated the CometChat UI Kit, and built a complete conversation and messaging experience. Let's get started. Overview of integration options. CometChat offers two primary methods for integrating UI kits into your web application: Visual Builder, a pre-assembled UI with minimal setup, and UI components, modular components that you can assemble based on your requirements. For this tutorial, we will follow the React UI documentation. Step 1. Prerequisites. First, create a CometChat application via the CometChat dashboard. In this example, I have already signed up and created an account. After signing in, you will need to create a new application. I have already completed this step, so we are ready to proceed. Step 2. Set up the development environment. We will start by creating a new React project using the TypeScript template. Once the project is set up, install the required dependencies. After installation, run the app to verify that everything is working correctly. At this point, your app should be up and running. Step 3. Install CometChat dependencies. CometChat provides code snippets for initialization, which we will follow closely. Open main.tsx and paste the initialization code provided in the documentation. Replace the placeholders for app ID, region, and auth key with your actual credentials from the CometChat dashboard. Step 4. Log in a user. You can integrate user login at any point in your application workflow, but for simplicity, we will handle it immediately after initializing the UI kit. Ensure that the CometChat UI kit is fully initialized before logging in the user. Step 5. Mount the app. Once the user is logged in, we will mount the app using one of CometChat's pre-built interfaces. Use the example code snippet provided to log in with a valid user ID. Step 6. Choose a chat experience, make tweaks, leave comments, and share with others to edit at the same time. One-on-one or group chat initiates a chat directly with a specific user or group when a button is clicked. Tab-based chat provides tabbed navigation between chats, call logs, users, and groups. For this tutorial, we will implement the conversation list plus message view layout. Step 7. Build the layout. This layout consists of the following components: a sidebar displaying the list of conversations, a message view that shows the chat messages, a message composer for typing and sending messages with support for media, emojis, and reactions. We will begin by setting up the sidebar. Follow the structure recommended in CometChat's documentation and copy the code as instructed. Make sure to apply the appropriate code from app.tsx and styles from app.css. Once set up, run the app. The default chat view should load, displaying the conversation list on the left, the messages in the center, and the composer at the bottom. We now have a fully functional chat experience using the CometChat React UI Kit. As demonstrated, integrating CometChat is simple, efficient, and highly customizable. Your chat experience is now ready to use and extend as needed. Thank you.